Today it is indeed an honor for me to do the opening of this oncology symposium and welcome you all to Aruba. This is a moment that we feel both pride and also a sense of gratitude to the organizer of this event. Pride because for a very small island to be hosting such an important event is something that for an island of 100,000 inhabitants is quite a challenge and is a cornerstone in our achievements in public health definitely, but also in bringing together such a distinguished group of people. When I look at our community and our citizens, I don't see numbers. I see people, people with dreams, people with ambition, people with love and care. And I'm very well aware that prosperity transpasses public and material wealth. When I'm in this room today, looking at you, I hope that we'll have a very successful symposium. But I also look at you with the hope that very important moments like this for our societies can be changed when you have the knowledge, the capacity. I really hope that on all the successes you already had in curing cancer, in extending the quality of life of so many people facing the disease of cancer, that you will also be successful in having the treatment that will have people like this continue to live and be among us until the natural moment of passing away have come. So a lot of success. Thank you very much for choosing Aruba as the site for this very important oncology symposium. Hartelijk dank.